Here's how to fix not receiving verification code in Gmail. Now, if you're trying to get an email code to you, but it's not coming through to your Gmail, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, it sounds simple, but let's open up your email either through gmail.com or through the Gmail app, and we want to make sure that you've checked the spam folder. So tap on the 3 lines at the top left, and from here, I can just scroll down and choose spam. Now, you're going to, of course, check to see if that code is in your spam folder. Sometimes they get marked as spam, even though they're not really. So if it is not in here, the next thing that we will do is check to see if there's an issue with Gmail or with your phone. So let's head into a web browser here, and we're just going to type in, is Gmail down? A really good option is down detector here. So tap on down detector, and you're going to look for a huge spike in reported outages with Gmail. If you do see a big spike in outages, then essentially it could be because your Gmail server is down. So you're not getting that code emailed to you because Gmail is not working. You have to wait just a few hours, and usually they get everything up and running and you'll get that code. However, if that looks good, the next thing I would recommend doing is going into the settings here on your iPhone, Android, computer, doesn't really matter. And from here, we'll do a couple different things. The first thing that we'll do is we're just going to turn airplane mode on to disconnect from your Wi-Fi and cell signal. And then we're going to turn it back off to reconnect to everything so that we make sure your Wi-Fi or your internet is working normally. The next thing we'll do is tap on General here. And then you can see iPhone storage. Let's tap on iPhone storage because we want to see if there's an issue with the Gmail app. So let's say I'm going to order this by name here and then just scroll down and find the Gmail option. There it is. And I'm just going to offload this app and reinstall it. This force updates the Gmail app and a lot of times fixes any kind of issues. So I'm going to reinstall this, and after I reinstall it, I can go back in there and check it. Or, of course, if you're checking the Gmail app, you could always open up a web browser here and go to gmail.com instead. Now, if all of those don't work, then essentially the most likely reason or culprit is whoever is texting you that code. So it might be Instagram or WhatsApp or any other social media or banking app. Make sure you've entered in that email exactly correctly, and make sure you've double and triple checked that email is correct. And you might need to reach out to them to say, hey, your codes are never coming through, because it could be an issue with whoever is sending you that code to your Gmail. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.